Good PM, sir. I'm Samantha Faith Perez. So, based on what I have understood from the lesson that was given to us, is that an marketing mix is the combinations of product, pricing, places, and promotion that ginayos to differentiate itself from the competitions. So, ini na elements is dako siyang tabang sa business to create effective marketing strategies to reach their target audience and achieve their goals. So, for me, when I think of marketing mix, dapat kung magbaligya ko balitaw ng product, dapat kibaw ka mag-manage ng tadong, the quality of the product, the packaging of product, dapat dayaw. And also, isab how you sell the product to the customers. So, dapat kahibaw ka. Because through this, maka-sure ka na ang imuhang product is successful by delivering or meeting the customer needs and wants. So, next is integrated marketing communication approach. So, ang means ini is yung technology ni imo ginagamit pag-promote nan imong product. Like, damuin pa maagi na mag-promote ka ng imong product. Like, for example, maka-promote ka sa TV, sa social media, sa flyers. But, you need to make sure that ang imuhang mensahe balitaw, like, for example, mensahe nimo sa TV is yung kibali, the quality of the product, or uno ka, dayaw ang product is same da sa flyers. Dapat di ka mo maglahi-lahi balitaw nan paghatag ng mensahe sa customers. So, for me, an integrated marketing is amo siya ang way para to connect with the people today, labi na sa pag-promote ng product, kay kuman sa good na generation bitaw is more in technology kita, so amo gid siya ang mabilis na paraan para mag-promote ng product. Thank you, sir.